G'day guys, here I am, off-grid nomad. This is real stuff. I'm a travelling nomad. I'll show you what I see and what I do, and I'll tell you some things that I've picked up along the way. I'm travelling. When I travel, I've got my little bag here. Beautiful little bag, and a lot of pockets and a shoulder strap. A little bit of an extension there because I'm a fat bugger. So, what's this video about? Bags. Bags and travelling. Some people might call that a bug out bag. What have I got in there? I've got money, I've got my passport, I've got medicines, simple medicines like Enos, anti-acid. Anyway, stuff that I need, I've got in there. I've got a pocket knife in there because I'm not in Australia, where in Australia you are not allowed to carry a pocket knife even to cut an apple by law. That is Australian law. I don't know, okay, that's the law. I'm not here to argue about the law. Okay, bug out bags. Everybody says, I've got to have a bag that I can grab. I'm talking Australia, not America, okay, because a bag will be full of guns. This is Australia. Shit's got to happen. I've got to leave the house. All the YouTubes that I've seen, all the blokes on YouTube are telling you, you've got to have the Bear Grylls knife, you've got to have this, you've got to have a water filter, you've got to have that. There's different levels of having to leave your house quickly. Today I'm talking about the basic level, the first level you come across. In Australia at the moment the topic is fires. Australia always has fires and floods. These two things are constant in Australia, fires and or floods, one after the other. Okay, a bug out bag for that situation would only have to last you 1 week or 2 weeks. You can have a bag, you've got to have things in it, you've got to have your ID, your licence, cash, credit cards, because the system hasn't failed on this scenario. It's just that you've got to leave your home and go to a refuge location, and you need your medicines. If you're on medicine, most people are, my age especially, if you're on medicines, you need your comfort medicines like antacids. Sometimes you just need a little packet of, like Fisherman's Friends, just have a little nibble on every now and again to change the boredom. But emergency, yeah. If you weren't in Australia, you could have a little pocket knife in there, your money. We'll have a look, we'll go through it. For me, being on a keto diet, sugars for me, or pretendy sugars for me coffee. Because I've had my gallbladder removed, I have Enos in case I get really crook in the guts. A double-ended charger for my phone to a music machine. It's probably not essential, people would say. But I like to have it. That's in that little bag there. This little one hasn't got a secure clip, so I only put things in there that I can afford to lose. Next one, credit card. Enos. Bit of cash. Another buck pocket here. That's for insect bites and headaches and many things. That's an Asian thing. Works wonders. Thai yellow oil. That is magic stuff for aches and pains and headaches. If you got a headache, you put a drop on your finger, on your temples. That works for that too. Listerine. Okay, here we go in here. You might not be able to read that. Oh yes, there you go. Baby wipes. Disposable tissues, moisturised. Very thin, very cheap. Can be used for all sorts of things. Okay, here's another one. Look at that. If you're a blind old bugger like me, oh, you can poke yourself in the eye, more blind. If you're a blind old bugger, glasses so you can read stuff. small emergency glasses. Very good. The things with emergency stuff is you probably never need them. It's like insurance. But if you're half blind, imagine how you'd be if you ran out the door and left your glasses behind. There's something to put in your bag. Your glasses. You run out the door and you haven't got your glasses, spare pair of glasses, you're in big trouble if you're blind. Okay, that's just that looks a bit fancy. It's just a notebook and I've cut the corners off to fit in my bag to take notes. Pencil, very important. Biro pencil, whatever you want to call it. Keys to your house and your car, stuff like that. Oh, what have we got here? More medicines, credit card. Because of where I am and what I'm doing, I have a international driver's license. These things are very handy. Spare photos for passports and permits and things that you have to get when you travel through countries. You probably can get them done, but if you've got them pre-done, it's just really, really easy. And a little bit of Singapore money. I'm not a Singapore. Australian passport. As well as all the other stuff, I've got this bag, which you won't go into. That's a very small bug-out bag. I'm going to put a video together now and show you of how to put a bug-out bag together in one day, and I'll do the total cost at the end. And then I'll explain why I put some things in and why I don't put other things in. Because this is a bug-out bag you've got to do today, because you know the shops might be closed tomorrow and you want to have it there, because you're going to feel very, very bloody stupid if you have not prepared. What's the thing? 3 P's, 4 P's. Be prepared, and practice prevents piss poor performance. Somebody in an army told me that. Practice and being prepared prevents piss poor performance. It's a better saying than that, but that's what I can remember. You got to practice. If you go and buy a compass, and you say, yeah, I know how it works, north points that way. You go and buy a compass, you've got to practice using it a long time before you have to use it, because you won't know. And you haven't got time to try and be learning when you've got 5 million things on your mind. It's like fires burning very close to your house. You haven't got time to bloody practice using the compass. You've got to know in your head how to use a compass. You've got to be able to use it under stress. That's the key word, stress. You've got to be able to do everything under stress. That's it. It's hot. I'm trying to walk. I'm trying to keep fit. But I've got time and I enjoy walking too. Okay, that's it. I'm going to put this bug-out bag together. What you need for a low-level evacuation, which can happen any day. See you guys.